Ang hirap tanggapin sir kasi akala namin tapos na yung dilubyo na nangyari sa Yolanda tapos ganito na naman yung nangyari. Okay lang sana sir kung nasira yung mga bahay namin, wala lang mga taong na biktima talaga namatay. Okay lang sana yun eh. Pero may namatay kasi sa mga kapitbahay namin eh. 8 yung namatay kasama na yung baby na nasa sinapupunan. Di nga namin alam sir kung paano kami babangon eh. Wala na kasi kaming matitirhan. Ano pa kami kung saan kami irolikit ngayon ng LGU, di namin alam. Ang hirap sir. Lahat ng pinundar namin, wala, wasak.
Sobrang hirap, sir. Parang hindi makaya namin. Ngayon, wala pa man kain. Wala pa man trabaho. Hindi pa makatrabaho yung mga asawa namin at sa kami.
Welcome to Money Control, your ultimate destination in the ever-evolving world of finance, business, markets, policy, and technology. India's preeminent news platform, driven by facts and fueled by data. A platform made in India, for India, and for the world. MoneyControl.com has a staggering reach of 100 million plus monthly active users and 6.02 million daily active users. Being a transformative digital force, reshaping how we engage with money, markets, and news. Setting us apart is our commitment to delivering accurate information and empowering financial decision-making in a dynamic ecosystem. Seeking a deeper dive into the financial realm, we present Money Control Pro, a powerhouse of exclusive insights, providing actionable investment ideas and expert analysis. Because in today's fast-paced world, informed decisions demand both information and expertise. And we have 1 million plus Money Control Pro total paid subscribers and 100% return in 1.5 years, beating the market. Explore market trends, access expert opinions, and utilize essential financial tools all at your fingertips. Join the millions who trust MoneyControl.com for their financial journey, where facts meet finance and data drives decisions. Think markets, think Money Control.